Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from Quality Used Equipment, and this is a virtual inspection by video. What we have here is a 2005 model Exmark 36-inch Viking. It's a hydro unit, fixed deck as well. We're going to start this machine up and run it, and then we're going to do an inspection of the major components. Machine starts up on the first or second pull every time. The engine idles perfectly. It's got an excellent engine. So now we're going to go over the major components. The deck is in excellent shape. No cracks or welds. Very clean. Spindles are tight. It's got a rock deflector. It's also got a mulch system on it. The plate. The rear tires are 50%. The engine is in very nice shape. The one front tire yoke is bent a little bit, but the tires are in excellent shape. The front tires are 70%. The muffler guard is missing. That's not a real big deal. Here's the console. This machine has 567 hours on it. Have your throttle, speed control, key switch, your blade engagement right there. The hydro pumps are in excellent shape. There are no leaks. They're very responsive. Hydro tank reservoir. On a scale of 1 to 10, this machine would be an 8 or a 9. It's in very nice shape. A couple decals are scraped a little bit and scratched up, but other than that, this machine's very nice. So feel free to give me a call anytime. We can ship it to all 50 states, so give me a call. Thanks.